Okay, so let's imagine a case where someone distributes potatoes. He has farmers living all around him. He has name, but I don't remember them. And every day, each of the farmers comes by with his tractor and brings the crop. Now the truck that the potato distributor has, can carry 2,000 kilos. So every time 2,000 kilos are reached, um, he wants to ship the truck, and he wants a track of the tracks here in this Excel spreadsheet. So what I do, the idea is I can use the sum function, for instance, and this line is only for one car, but if I use it this way, and I put a dollar here, it will sum all the line above the line I'm at, this way. Every time this number is divided by 2000, we want the counter to increase. So what I'm going to do, this is the first and second lines, just the first two lines I do that, and then I'm using if, and I want to only increase it if I have 2000 kilos in lines where the value is 1, the shipment number is 1. So I'm going to use some ifs, and the sum range is the weight above me, and as I said, I'm using the dollar sign, and the criteria is the shipment number, and I would use the dollar sign, and I want to sum only the lines where the shipment number is the number in the line above me. And this is actually a sum of all the lines with the number 1. If this sum is larger than 2000, I want this counter to increase by 1. Otherwise, I want it to stay the same. And you can see that it increases. I probably put a 2 here by mistake. Now it's going to work. Again. This is it. Now if I put the 1069 here, the 2000 reaches by here. We're done. Thank you.